y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful start to your weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, home decor, pets, snacks, and everything in between. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. You're here already. We'd love to have you. And guys, please also go ahead and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I am really excited because, as you can see, we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the Hemp Crate Company. Now, this was sent to me for review, so thank you so very much to Hemp Crate. I do appreciate it. I'm going to go over briefly a little bit about this company and their subscription offers, because they have more than just one, so that you are familiar with that, and then we'll get into the actual unboxing. So Hemp Crate is a CBD subscription box. They have 3 different customization options, if you will, and then each of those have 2 tiers. So they have their health and wellness subscription, which is for all your chill and recovery needs. They have their Hempa the Explorer, which has a little bit of everything from tinctures, balms, yummy treats, all kinds of stuff. And then they have a Furry Friends box that is going to have items for your pet and for you. So that is pretty awesome. Now, they also have, like I said, for each of their tiers, each of their different subscriptions, there are 2 tiers. There's the starter and the pro. And with the starter, you are going to receive 4 to 6 items, and with the pro, 5 to 8. Now, the starter, doesn't matter which curated box it is $44.99, and for the pro, it is $69.99. And what they sent me here is the Health and Wellness Pro, so this would be $69.99. And every box also comes with educational material, which is really important when you're getting into a subscription box that has CBD products in it. I, for those of you that do not know, have rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and I have anxiety. So CBD works for me in quite a few different ways. It's going to work for everybody differently. So you may have a different reason for wanting to try it, and it may work, it may not. It's just one of those things that it's different for everyone. I do have a promo code, which I will put down below to save you some money on your first box, along with a link. That promo code is Nikki10, and that will get you 10% off your first box. So, I think that is pretty much everything. The only other thing I want to say is, if you go ahead and prepay for a 3 or 6 month subscription, you do get free shipping. Otherwise, you do pay shipping on top of that box price. So let's go ahead and get in here, see what we got. This is the May 2020. Again, this is the Health and Wellness Pro. I'm super excited. Now, it did come in an outer packaging, which I removed. I think the box is really fun and just cool, like, I don't know. One thing I thought that was really funny is there are some things here on the back of the box that literally just made me like giggle. And it says, "Here, have a laugh." And it says, "If we all work together, we can stop team building exercises from happening." Did anyone specifically ask for purple tortilla chips? 2 things to never get at a gas station: your dinner or your CBD. Can we give French fries a Lifetime Achievement Award already? People in sleeping bags are just soft tacos for bears. Just some money, I don't know. All right, so when you open it, it says life is still great. And I can see here there are some stickers, it looks like, on top. And that's what that right there says with their little logo. Life is still great. That is cute. I like that. And Happy Hemp Pharmacy. And then friends don't let friends buy their CBD at gas stations. I love that. All right, so here's like a little welcome guide. And when you open this, it just kind of goes over how does CBD work, the difference between CBD and THC. THC is the component in marijuana that gets you high. That is not in CBD. And it does talk about, you know, using it for pets, things like that. So there is that. And then we will peel back some tissue paper, and looks like we have some more paper. So let's take a look and see what this says. So this goes over marijuana, hemp, cannabis. Both produce, talks about like the different things that they produce, what they do. So this is actually, this goes to that educational information that's going to be in every box. So I really do appreciate that they put this in there. And then it looks like, oh, we're getting into products. So, okay, let's just dive in. This is from Drift CBD. Drift CBD infused honey sticks. These are THC free, and it is 20 milligrams per stick. It's the perfect dose. 16 delicious flavors, low cost per stick. And this has third-party lab tested, which all of their products are. I think that is fantastic. So this talks about benefits of CBD as far as mind, anxiety, stress relief, depression. It helps you to relax, helps with OCD, PTSD. And then for your body, pain relief, sore muscles, nausea, helps you to sleep, inflammation, and seizures. So there is that. And then let's see. Honey crystallization, often referred to as granulation, is a natural phenomenon by which honey turns from a liquid into a semi-solid state with a granular composition. After being extracted from the honeycomb, honey tends to crystallize much faster. This is very easy to fix. If the honey sticks that you purchase from us become crystallized, simply soak in hot water for a few minutes and they will clear right up. Please do not microwave them. So it looks like we have 3 of them here. And, oh, okay. So we have cinnamon roll, blue raspberry, and just peachy. So I'm actually excited to try those. I have not tried the honey sticks, so I am very excited about that. All right, and then it looks like we have a tea. This is Wallowa White Industrial Hemp Tea. This has 50 milligrams of industrial hemp-derived CBD, organic white peony, jasmine green tea, Chinese white tea, and chamomile blend. So that just completely sounds relaxing altogether. So for best results, it says steep the bag in 8 ounces of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. And it's from the Tranquility Tea Company. So I'm excited to give that a try. And then let's see, we have hemp hearts, shelled hemp seeds, sprinkle on salad, cereal, and yogurt. Delicious nutty flavor. Ooh, I bet these would be good on salad. I love crunchy things added to my salad, so I'm very excited about this. So we have 2 packets of this. All right, and then we have, oh, this is perfect for right now, and I didn't even know this was such a thing. Nano Broad Spectrum Hemp Extract CBD Living Sanitizer. This is a hand sanitizer with 50 milligrams of CBD. That is awesome, and obviously something we can all use right now. But I never knew that hand sanitizer could even have CBD in it. That's one thing I love about subscription boxes, and especially the CBD subscription boxes, because you find out so many products like that you didn't know that could have the CBD and give you the benefits of the CBD. Like, I honestly, for the longest time, thought it was just like CBD oil. No, it's like so many products. All right, and then we have a sea salt CBD soap. This is a CBD infused soap with hand harvested sea salt. This is in lavender. I smell a little bit of it, and it actually smells pretty good, which I'm not really a big fan of lavender, so that's kind of like shocking to me. It says 10 milligrams of CBD in it. It's got coconut oil, olive oil, and it's almost like the coconut. I don't know, but it doesn't really have that like that lavender smell that I don't like. It actually smells really good. Okay, so there's that. And then we have, let's see, all natural vanilla lip balm. So you can see here, Hemp Crate and vanilla. All right. And then we have from Populum, lavender and CBD face oil. So we got some skincare in here. This is 250 milligrams of CBD, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, lavender oil, and full spectrum hemp extract. That's literally the only ingredients. Shake well after cleansing. Massage 4 to 5 drops on the face and neck as part of evening routine. Use daily. It's uniquely formulated for your evening routine to moisturize and leave your skin with a healthy glow. So let's see what it looks like. It's in a glass bottle. So there you can see it. Interesting. And then it looks like we have one more product in here, and this is the CBD Happy Hemp Pharmacy broad spectrum CBD oil, and this is 500 milligrams. We have 1 fluid ounce, and let's see. Shake well before use. Hold 1 dropper full, which is 1 milliliter of the extract under tongue for 45 seconds, 1 to 2 times a day. And it says to preserve freshness, keep away from humidity, heat, and light. Well, that means it's gonna stay in my house because it's humid as all get out here in North Carolina. So there is that. So excited. I can't wait to give this a try. I love trying different products with the CBD and seeing how they work. So I thought this was actually really good. So, I mean, because just CBD oils alone generally are in the $50 to $60 range. So to get the 500 milligram broad spectrum CBD oil of, 1 fluid ounce, which is the standard size, that is amazing. We also got 1 fluid ounce of CBD and lavender facial oil. We have the sea salt CBD soap bar. We have the tea. We have the shelled hemp seeds. It even shows salad, which is what I will more than likely use them on. We have the lip balm. We have the hand sanitizer. Again, never knew hand sanitizer could be mixed with CBD. That is amazing. And then the honey sticks, which I really, really am excited to try. So I thought this was a great box. I really did. And I think for the price point, it is very reasonable because, like I said, just the oil alone normally, like I said, can be in a $50 to $60 range for a good oil. And I know, again, that because they do have the third-party lab testing, I trust their products. And I think that that's something great, an extra step that they do. And I can't wait to try some of these products and see what I think. And I can't wait to have them help me because I know they will. My body has reacted really well to CBD, so I do enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I will put a link down below and that promo code Nikki10 to save you 10% off. So go over, check out Hemp Crate, and let me know what you guys thought. Have you tried CBD? Which products works best for you if you have? I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.